Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to rank your website on Google and how to do the on-page and off-page SEO of your website. And I will also share with you some tools which you can use to analyze your website, that how's your website is performing in the search engines, and how you can improve the rankings of your website in search engine. So in this video, we will analyze a WordPress website, and I would also suggest you some plugins which you can use to improve your rankings overall. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So this is the website we are going to analyze today. So if you want to analyze your whole website and see the stats, how your website is performing in search engines, go to this SEO site checkup.com URL and analyze your website. And I am going to analyze my website here, and it will tell you the overall SEO score of your website, as you can see that. And it will also suggest you how you can improve your website score, and it will tell you how much errors are on your website and how you can fix them. It will show you warnings, and it will also show you many things which you can check to improve your website rankings. Okay, as you can see, these are the stats of my website. Now this is an error, you can fix it by clicking on how to fix. It will show you the way. And there is another tool which you can use to analyze your website, that is called SEO analyzer. Enter your website address here and review. You can see the score here also, and it will show you how your page will look like in Google search results, and it will show you your focused keywords, your titles, your meta description, and your sitemap, XML sitemap, and everything which you want to know about your website that can help you in improving your website performance. Okay, now go to your back to your website, and I would recommend you to install Google Analytics or your website Google Analytics plugin. Go to plugins, add new, and search for Google Analytics. Here it is, Monster Insights Google Analytics plugin. Install it, as I have already installed it, and now you can connect it with your Google Analytics account. Go to analytics.google.com and create an account here. You can just create it by providing your email address and your Google account, etc. And then add a property here by simply going to settings, create property. You can then add your website URL. Let me show you. Add your website URL here, and then next, by following these steps, you can add your website here in Google Analytics. Then you would be able to see the analytics of your website on here on Google Analytics dashboard, as you can see here, and it will show you the data of your website easily. And if you want to rank better in Google search results, then your website speed should be very fast, because if your website speed is slow, then you will lose the visitors. So if you don't know how to increase the speed of your website, check out my video that is attached with the link card and the link in the description. Now you have also have to create an account on Google Search Console, because it will help you easily crawl your new pages. Whenever you add a new page, a new post to your website, it will tell Google that this website has added a new page, and Google will crawl it. So click on start now and create your account by simply following the steps, and then you can see the performance. You can also add a sitemap here by using the Google Analytics account. And now whenever you add a new page to your website, go to URL inspection, enter your website URL and page URL if you have added a new page, and then click on request indexing, and it will index your website in Google automatically. So your page would be live to your visitors in Google search results. As I already have indexed this page, so I'm going to cancel it for now. And after doing all these steps, now there is an important plugin that is called Rankmath. Go to add new, and let me show you the plugin. There is also another plugin Yoast SEO, but I prefer Rankmath. You can see this is the plugin. Install and activate it. Go to the settings of Rankmath and set up an account on Rankmath. After doing that, you can add many things to your website. For example, 404 monitor and the AMP version of your website. You can add analytics to your website. You can also add PBPress and BuddyPress plugins for comments, etc. You can also add this image SEO and these all functions. And you can also add sitemap by using this plugin. It will help you analyze the SEO of your website. After this, now whenever you create a new post on your website, this rank math will help you in SEO, and it will tell you how your post will look like in Google, and it will recommend you how you can make it much better. So go to the posts. So I am going to add a title and the description. Now I have added a blog post as an example, how to write an awesome blog post in 5 steps. And now let's see the rank math settings and how it will improve the performance of this blog post. So as you can see now, it is showing you how this page will look like in Google search results. So I think the link is not looking good here. So if you want to change this permalink, you can also change it from going to dashboard and then settings and permalink. You can change the settings from here and then click on save settings. It will change the settings of your website. So now if you want to change the heading and this description, you can change it by simply going here, and then from here you can write another description if you want, and you can edit this also. Now another is very important thing: when you write a heading in your article, the first heading should be H1 and other headings should be H2 and H3 headings, because Google will understand that this heading is a subheading of another heading. For example, how to write a blog post, this is a subheading of this how to write an awesome blog post in 5 steps. So you can change it simply by clicking on the heading and changing it to H2 or H3. You can always change it from here. Okay, now here you can add focus keywords. For example, how to write a blog post. You can add as many focus keywords as you want. The rank math will also suggest you rankable keywords. How to write blog post. Click enter, it will be added. Now it will show you some basic SEO steps which you can improve, and it will also show you some additional steps. Then from advanced, you can change the settings. Do you want to allow this blog post to be indexed in Google or not? And you can also add schema markup. Schema markup is basically used for telling the Google, is this an article, is this a book or course or anything else. You can set it up from here. You can also choose a custom schema, but you need to upload it for that. And now you can choose how it will look like on social media, marketplaces, etc. And it will show you the overall score of your blog posts. You can always improve it by changing and applying different settings. So that's how you will be able to rank in search results at the top. And there is another option, content AI, which you can use. So this content AI will tell you the score of your blog post. So now you can see this is the score of my blog post. You can also add these related keywords, and if you don't know how to use it, you can learn it from here by clicking here. Okay, that's it. If you will always implement new methods and try best practices, you will rank at the top in Google and search results. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.